Hello, friends. My name is Mani, and welcome to our care. Today we have Anand with us, and he's one of a student from Dehradun. He's been associated with us more than 1 year now. He received multiple offer letters from more than three universities for English taught program, where he did 1 year of education from India. We transferred the credit points, saved his 1 year. He didn't appear for any entrance paper, and he learned German with us a long duration of his 1 year. He did test tests during that 1 year. Then he did APS, no, not APS, test tests, IELTS, German language, and he was pursuing into the university under our guidance, right? So he was being able to manage all these stuffs, and he saved his 1 year, which was the most important point. So Anand, hi, and welcome on this video. Thank you so much for sharing your time. I wanted to start with an introduction. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. So my name is Anand. I'm from Dehradun, and I'm planning to go to Germany this September intake in the University OTH of Regensburg.
I think you received two, three more offer
Yeah, yeah,
letters. Can you
yeah. I
please?
also received offer letter from OTH Hamburg, HS Fulda. Yeah,
Okay, and now Anand, so we have already discussed about STS in our last video. In this video, we wanted to discuss about B1. So you have cleared B1 with our care. We taught you about the German language. So I wanted to ask you, how comfortable were you to do it online? Because whenever we tell to our students that the classes would be online, they just think about it. Oh, how are we gonna cope up? Is it a recorded sessions? How were the sessions? And most importantly, about the booking of the paper, right? So the students feel, and they waste your 6 months, 8 months. They're not getting the dates. How we helped, how we suggested, and I think you were not able to do so. Your time was not being wasted, right?
yeah,
So I wanted to ask you step by step. The first point will be, how was your experience when you were taking the classes online, and since you cleared all the tiles, so how you coped up?
yeah. So the first of all, the online class were superb. Like they were quite interactive. All of our doubts were cleared. We were given special attention, and this one of the special features is that there were not many students in one batch. Like for example, in my batch there were only three people: one me, one of my friend, and one other guy. So like teacher was able to focus on you like quite good. So I would say
Yes.
my experience was very nice.
I wanted to add on, we don't provide the classes to the students who are not taking the consultancy from us, and we provide the special attention to the students. Secondly, we don't keep a batch more than 4 to 5 students in one class. Thirdly, we customize the classes according to your requirements. So maybe you are sick, maybe you are not able to cover up, maybe you're going for a wedding, or there might be some problem at your home. So we don't work in a batch. There you will be shifted to any other batch, you will be shifted to other classes to cope up with those studies. So this is what we really try to focus. So Anand, what is your feedback into it?
Yeah, as ma'am said, and I personally found it very great. Like because in last year, in the middle of something, like one of my family members was not well, so I had to skip a lot of classes. So I talked to ma'am, and she was like, "Oh, it's fine," because like everyone like it's hardly like if you go to any other consultancy, I would say any other German classes, I wasn't able to find this, but ma'am was quite generous, and she arranged extra classes for me for the classes I skipped, and I would say my experience was quite good with that as well.
Anand, secondly, I wanted to add on. I wanted to ask you land up to Delhi, right, from Dehradun. So you faced any problem during the consultancy? Because I remember you hardly came twice or thrice to our office when
Yeah,
it was a Goethe paper, or it was a test paper, or whenever it was something you're visiting Delhi, but you never
yeah,
came purposely, right?
yeah.
So how was your experience altogether? Because you've been communicating from Dehradun to Delhi. And a lot of students are there who wonder, okay, if you don't come, how you going to communicate and all those stuffs.
Yeah, so that's a quite general question for many people. Like if you're consulting with an agency who's not in your city, but for me it was like there was a trust because one of my brother already did the consultancy with you. Like you helped him to go to Germany as well, but like
He is
uh,
studying in one of the top universities. So
yeah, yeah,
initially he was in TU Berlin,
yeah,
and now he's in TU Munich. And he is one of my set example students because he did B2 in 6 months, you know?
yeah, yeah. I know.
Yes. Huh.
Yeah, so ma'am used to tell me this quite a lot, and it motivated me in a way, I would say. And yeah,
Yeah. Hmm.
and moreover, I personally didn't face any issues because whenever I had any doubt, I used to call Mani ma'am or Anshul sir, and they used to get to me ASAP as soon as possible. And yeah, like
And Anand, I wanted to add on. There is a question which the parents ask, with the students ask. So they're facing a lot of problem in booking up the paper. So I think our trainers, our students team, because we only train to the students who are taking the consultancy, right? So as a team, did you face any problem for booking up the papers?
at first I did because I was doing it all on my own. I had booked the exam. I was trying to book an exam in November, but didn't able to get it. So then I asked Himani ma'am. So she helped me a lot. She told me uh, like go like sit prior half an hour prior to it. And one time I was facing an issue with the payment, so she helped me with that too. And she was also trying to book appointments for me. She did one for me as well. It was Lays and Tile, I suppose. So yeah.
Okay, so I don't know that, to be very
Yeah.
honest. So I wanted to conclude is our team is always there to help you out. If you're not getting the daily dates, we try to arrange the dates outside Delhi, and our team is there to support. But we cannot provide the spoon feeding. So we are also trying, and we always say to the students to try it, right? And thirdly, Anand, now you already have B1, so naturally you have a confidence to go to Germany, right? And once I request to all the students who are planning to go to Germany, either it is an English taught program or it is any for masters or bachelors, please learn the German language. They're gonna help you for the part-time jobs, and they're gonna help you for your entire internships and the rest of the livelihood. So if you have any question related to Germany, related to Ausbildung, related to Europe, we would be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much, Anand, for helping us to create this video. And I think hope you like this video. And please do not forget to like our video. And thank you.